Here stands the ruins of the proud Utanon Empire. It lasted only 3 months. That's a long time already. It started when the creator pushed away the barbaric tribe of the Sagbot. They were so fierce, but they're no match for the creator, for the gardener. It started with the Kangkong here, the tribe of the Kangkong on the top of this plateau, and then another sprout here, the proud village of the Pichay, flanked by the tall and mighty Okra here. It was before like that. As you can see, what remains is the Siling Kulikot native, the calamansi, the ruins of the sweet tomatoes and alugbate. Before here is the Kangkong again. They were dispersed and moved into the swampy lands of the Far East here. Here stands before the mighty green and long Ampalayas. These are the ruins now. Only one of the great pillars stands. There were 4 before. We will try to restore this empire. So these are the remains of that vast empire. The Siling Kulikot, 2 of them. Some of the remains of the Alugbati, the Calamansi, and Sibuyas Dahunan. So magsugod na putag himo og plat ani guys. Kani siya para talong. And then diha magtanom tag kuan diri siguro. Pipino. Yeah, pipino. Maybe here talong siguro diri. Dayon espada sili o kanang bell pepper. Well, let's try. No? Thank you guys sa nagpa-gamit ani yuta, dili man imong yuta. Pero remind you katong nagsige mag-harvest ipang tagaan na mo sila sa harvest na mo ani. No? Kinsa ganahan diag Siling Kulikot guys, daghan kayo niya. No, yellow ni siya nga variety kani green. Dagko na kani siya punuan. Yeah. So kangkong diri sa una, daghang kangkong, then diri Pichay og Okra. Sa proud empire. Kani among tomato hangtod karon. Nga pa tomato mga napa sa ref. Yang among kangkong ibalhin na mo diha. Pero dili ganahan mo tan siting kay na ako no sa awasanan og tubig. All right.